First day. LSS.
Carla.
Pero academic office mo ba?
Yeah. May suki R1, UA. Pero kung wonder na ako, no? Ito wala. Kanang manong no, sa buhay niya wala. Ha? As exam, katong final exam. Jetta. Yeah, but you have your GC also. Did you pray inside your GC? Sila ka magbuot. Ako yung magbuot sa pag-ibig.
Gid ma'am. Gid kay interview ra bang na-exam niya sa yang section.
Because my schedule is 7 to 8:30.
Well, next week naman.
Are you the mayor? What's your first name?
Ken.
Ken.
Art.
Family name?
Chapon.
Chapon. Did you get na for the assistant?
Nice, no problem ma'am.
Basta pag thesis ninyo, Grammarly lang na.
Grammarly?
You can, yeah. Grammarly. You can see me in my, because I have office in the library. That's where my office before. With Sir Lambatak, I know you know Sir Lambatak. Okay, Sir Lambatak and our staff. And ako. But I was assigned to station in one of parents' office. All the directors that we have. So sometimes I'll be there.
Hindi na ma'am. Kita na kasi ma'am.
Pila ba yan ma'am? 1K.
1K for revision.
Again, that is assistant sa
Sa mga yung nari, wala na. Kali na lang.
basta according to Panang Lison's schedule, the class is 7 to 8.
Wala yung online.
No online, face.
Sige ma'am.
Face to face.
Wala yung rin
Kaya
ma'am.
papadali. Paano, where was so slow? Wala na
Ay ma'am, sulat ma'am.
Thank you, Kenta. Baka, sure.
Yes.
Ugly boys. Pinangalit na magpapaminan lang, ulit-ulit ka kaya para malab-lab na. Ay, ay.